Hi there, I'm Kate. Thank you very much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about the Cricut Easy Press. So both Cricut Iron-On and infusible ink, like this here and here, infusible ink, require heat to activate them, so to bond them to your surface. The exact level of heat and the time required to make the transfer depends on exactly which product you're using, so for example glitter iron-on, and which base you're using, say for example a cotton t-shirt. So I have cut this large image here out of glitter iron-on. As you can see, it's a big block of iron-on, so it's going to need a really even heat across that whole shape to attach it evenly to my base. If I go over to the Cricut heat guide, I'm going to type in those parameters. So we've got a glitter iron-on onto a cotton base, and I can see that we're going to need a temperature of 330 or 165 for 30 seconds, with a preheat of 5 seconds and then a reverse heat for 15 seconds. And I know if those are the temperatures and times that I stick to, then I'm going to get the perfect results with my glitter iron-on my t-shirt. So this is really, really easily done using the Easy Press. So let me heat it to the correct temperature, which is 165 or 330, and then the correct time, which is 30 seconds. There we go. So I've prepared my blank, and then we need to preheat for 5 seconds. So I'll pop that on there for 5 seconds. And then I'm going to pop my glitter iron-on the top, and then pop the Easy Press on top, and we can press the green button. It's even going to give me a little beep when it's time to lift the Easy Press off, just to remind me. So I've let it cool and peeled off the back, and as you can see, it's absolutely perfect. It would be really, really hard to achieve such successful results every time if you weren't using an Easy Press, and that's for a couple of reasons. So firstly, you couldn't be as accurate with the heat. It would always be a bit of trial and error to achieve the exact temperature that you need. And secondly, look at this wonderful, completely flat, large plate. The heat is distributed completely evenly across that plate, so there aren't any cool or hot spots like there always are with an iron. So you get an even spread of heat across your whole project. I would not be without my Easy Press. I actually like to use it for ironing instead of my iron. I love it that much. I just think it's a brilliant tool to have. So if you want to make infusible ink or iron-on projects, I would definitely recommend one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that's helped you with your Cricut projects. And don't forget to check our other videos for more project ideas and tips for using your Cricut machine. Thank you, bye-bye.